this is Hitesh Patil. Welcome you to the Mathematics Factory. So in this video we are going to learn what are the different rules of derivative, or we can say what are the basic formulas of finding derivative of any function. So without wasting any time, let's start. Okay, starting with the basic formula of derivative, that is derivative of x raised to n. We can write in this way: derivative of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So where n will be any number. We will take one example. So derivative of x raised to 4. Here you can observe or you can compare with this formula. N value is 4. So what is the answer? 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1. So final answer will be 4 into x cube. Okay. Now moving to the finding the derivative of trigonometric function. So derivative of sin x and derivative of cos x. मैं एक के नीचे एक लिखता हूँ ताकि आपको प्रॉपर समझ में आएगा कि what is the difference between these two. So derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay. So whenever sin comes, you have to write cos, and whenever cos comes, you have to write sin. The only difference is you have to put minus symbol whenever cos comes. Okay. Now moving to the next part. Derivative of tan x and derivative of cot x. So what is the formula? Derivative of tan x is sec x and derivative of cot x is minus cosec x. Okay. Now moving to the next rule. Derivative of sec x and derivative of cosec x. So what is the formula for sec x? Sec x is sec x into tan x and derivative of cos x is minus cosec x into cot x. Okay. Now moving to the next. Derivative of tan x and derivative of cot x. So what is the formula for tan x? Tan x is sec x and derivative of cot x is minus cosec x. So simple. Okay, so we just see the how to find the derivative of trigonometric function. Now next is derivative of a raised to x. Okay, so what is the formula for derivative of a raised to x? Is a raised to x into log of a. We will take one example. If you want to find the derivative of 3 raised to x, so how can you find the 3 raised to x by using this formula? So here in our example a value is 3. So derivative of 3 raised to x is 3 raised to x as it is into log of 3. This is derivative of 3 raised to x. Okay. Now another rule is derivative of e raised to x. Okay. So first we apply same formula here. So what is a in our example? E. So e raised to x into log of e. But you already know what is the value of log of e? Log of e is nothing but 1. So e raised to x. So derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So whenever you come with the example including derivative of e raised to x, so you directly put derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only. Okay. Now we see the rule of inverse trigonometric function. So first we take sin inverse of x and derivative of cos inverse of x. Okay, so what is the derivative of sin inverse x? Is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, and what is the derivative of cos inverse of x? Only difference is minus. So minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, this is the derivative of cos inverse of x. Now next is derivative of tan inverse of x and derivative of cot inverse of x. So what is the formula for tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, okay, and for cot is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, okay. So only difference in sign, okay, rest of the terms are same. Now let's see two more rules of finding a derivative. First rule is for multiplication and second is for division, okay. So first we see multiplication, rule for multiplication. So what multiplication rule says, suppose I have one function f of x in the form of u into v. So derivative of f of x, that is f dash of x, is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du upon dx. This is for multiplication. Now let's see for division. Suppose I have one function f of x in the form of u upon v. So f dash of x is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv upon dx divided by v square. Also student, if you like this video, click on like button and also share this video. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Mathematics Factory. See you soon.